Hey guys, it is Crappy Pigs Saturday, and once again, sorry I have not been around for Challenge Lock Wednesday or Naughty Bucket Friday. As I explained quickly yesterday, I was sick and didn't have the opportunity to get it done. Okay, what we have today is this assa ruko 2, which I have picked quite a lot on my channel now, and the key don't really wanna work every time, but it does work. I have worn down the pins, I think, so yeah, I probably have to change out the pins to make it work nice and smoothly again, but it's good enough for now. So let's see if I can open it as easily as usual. What happened to the light? Is it only me that thinks the light is weird? Huh. Well, we can see what we're doing. Let's start with the terrible half diamond thing and try sort of raking. There we go. And what about sipping with this one? Oh, there we go. So it is quite an easy pick. Sorry. That was the pick. Okay, let's see if we can single pin pick it as well. Click on 3, click on 4, click on 5, click on 2, and on 1. And the last click was on pin 2. And we are open. So that's quite an easy lock to pick. And it's not because they don't have security pins, and that's what I want to show you this time. I have not been gutting this for a while, but I believe since this is the last time I'm gonna pick it, for this series anyway, I should do it. I should have done it the other times as well, but to be honest, I don't want to do it every single time. Not that it is a excuse, but I just didn't want to. Let's see, a screwdriver that will fit in there. Where is that flat one? There we go. No, okay, that's not the one I'm used to use. It's such a long time ago I have got it. There we go. I can't even remember what screwdriver I used to use. There we have it. Damn it. I hate when that follows it out. Okay, I fixed that later. So sorry. And while I have it apart, let's see, the video is already extremely short, so I may change out the pins while I'm at it and put it back together on camera. I don't think I have done that much. I think I have only done it once. Put a lot back together on camera. And on camera, of course. So these fellows are great, Rune. I see why you use them. They are so easy to get through these. Sorry. So there we go. I don't know if you can see it, but it have those undercuts because of the sleeve. So it's actually not even. Wait, no, sorry. My mistake. It's not undercuts, it's serrations in this one. I thought something was weird because usually these don't have undercuts. It's not an undercut, it's serrations, which I usually see for these barrel pins. I don't know if we can get a clear look at it, but we can certainly try. There we go, that's the barrel pin. Usually those stick in the serrations just like a serrated pin, so they're great pins. Where is my pin kit? Oh, that's in this.